What's up, folks? Derek from Vic's world famous Chicken in the Cooler. It's Thursday, the weekend before Father's Day. And some days you just have a long day. You didn't get anything accomplished that you wanted to. And now it's 3:20 in the evening and you're just now prepping some food. So stop by the store, get you a tin pan, preheat your oven to 400. Take some leg quarters right here. First, you got to wash that meat like we always do in the cooler. Wash it, rinse it, season it, aluminum foil the top. Put them in the oven for about 2.5 hours. Check, see if they're done. You have enough time for dinner. I know some days are rough. I know sometimes you wish you had more time. Even though I was off today, time got away from me. So what I'm going to do, quick meal. We're going to take this chicken. We're going to drop it in the oven, 400 degrees, hour and a half, 2 hours. I don't like to cook the time until it's done. And then we will see how fast we can make dinner by 6. I'm going to use a little honey hog barbecue from Meat Church to season this chicken. Friends don't let friends unseason the underside of the chicken. If I come to your house and the underside of the chicken ain't seasoned, I don't want it. You ain't my friend. You's an enemy of the state. You faking to be a barbecue person, and you are not. You a jive-ass turkey. I've only got 2 of the Meat Church seasonings, but so far, they've been great. I can't wait to try the other 3. I got the Holy Gospel, or the Gospel. And, of course, I'll just show you this barbecue rub right here. The honey hog. A little sweet. A little tang, a little twang on here. Oh, God dang it. If you have a Newfoundland, you got to make sure you close all exits because he will escape. And whether or not there's an exit or not, he will escape. That's what they do. Escape. A little more. Top it off one more time. That's what it looks like, folks. Then I'm gonna wrap it with aluminum foil. I'm gonna let it go. About an hour and some change in. Oh, if you see that under there, cooking my dog some liver. They like cooked food too. But back to this chicken, I'm gonna take a quick peek in here. You know what they say, if you keep looking, you ain't cooking. Ooh. A little peek. Barnyard pimp. 30 more minutes. I'll take a quick temp for y'all. And then if it's where I think I need it to be, I'm gonna uncover it, let the skin get a little crispy. There you go, folks. Chicken. Time 5:30. 400 degrees. 2 hours. Temperature. What does that say? 200 degrees. What did I tell you? Even though you did not get accomplished what you wanted to, quick dinner, throw a quick salad together out of the bag, you can feed people. Hey, like, comment, subscribe. This is Derek from Vic's World Famous Chicken in the Cooler. Peace. Sometimes I just forget that I gotta show y'all how good it is. I mean, look. Anybody know what this is? These supposed to be all thighs, but I think they gave me a wing. That'd be a baby thigh. Whew. Comes apart. A little crispy exterior. Wow. That chicken is good. Hot. Flavorful. Little hint of that rub. Ooh, that's the piece I want right there. Skin. Chicken, fat. See y'all.